Hey guys, firstly, thank you so much for 60k subscribers. You guys are really making my dream come true, and I'm really happy to help you with my designs and can't wait to post more in the future. So this video is especially for my male subscriber today. You can make yourself inner garments with your old t-shirt. तो इस वीडियो के लिए आप अपना कोई भी ओल्ड टी शर्ट यूज़ कर सकते हो, आपके लिए इनर गारमेंट्स बना सकते हो. So yes guys, watch this video. So the first thing guys, just check the measurement I'm taking. These measurements is for men. These measurements are not so different from the ladies' innerwear, only 1 or half inch. So still I'm showing you the measurements. Girls with 36 hips can also wear these innerwear guys. When you're making innerwear for men, the middle dart is really very important. But here I'm using the t-shirt, so I'm already getting the middle dart. So if you're making from a fabric, then in the front cut in 2 pieces and give a middle dart. So now I'm going to make the middle part. So for this I'm going to take the extra part from my old t-shirt, and then also I'm going to cut and measure the middle part. And guys, just keep watching. It may look bit of weird or odd in the beginning. You may think what I am making, but just watch till the end and check the finished product. So yeah, keep watching. I actually live by the nature. You can hear the birds are chirping outside my room, so you can always hear whenever I do the voiceover on my video, you can always hear the birds are chirping outside, and it's really awesome actually. So here I am done attaching the elastic, but still I'm gonna give another stitch here, and this is the finished look. And I've also stitched the leg holes. You don't need to attach elastic in the leg holes, but if you want you can. And you know guys, I have give a straight stitch in the leg holes, but you should use a zigzag stitch because this is so stretchy fabric, so the straight stitch will not work here. And thank you, this is the finished look, and you can wear this at home, and this is so good and very comfy inner garments for men. So thank you guys for watching this video.